The healthcare service has an office in the most prestigious and big hospitals. The COOP is the service where you can book and cancel medical tests, but also pay your medical specialist visits. You can find the COOP inside the hospital buildings and at the pharmacies. If you are a non-EU citizen with a valid permit of residence, you have the right to register in the national health system. It's free of charge. What you need to do is to go to the health registry desk with your identity card and your residence permit. The document that testifies that you have submitted your application or that you are renewing your document is also accepted. When registering to the national health system, you must communicate your address and choose your general practitioner. That means your doctor. At the end of the procedure, you will receive a document attesting that you are waiting for your health insurance card. After a few weeks, the card will be delivered at your home address. After a few weeks, the card will be delivered to your home address. The health insurance card will have the same validity as your residence permit, so remember to renew your health card while renewing your residence permit. It is not possible to have a health insurance card without a residence permit. Therefore, it's not possible to have a doctor without documents. In case of pregnancy, a woman can go to the emergency even without residence permit. The same for the minors under 18 to do a vaccine and to treat all infectious diseases and mental illnesses. If you don't have a residence permit, it's possible to have an STY card with a renewable 6-month validity. To have that card, all you need is to go to the health registry desk with your ID card. The people working in those offices and in the hospitals cannot report you to the police for not having documents. You don't have to be afraid when going there.